Okay, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Juki, what is this, TL2000QI, I think that's what it is. The first time doing an unboxing, so be patient with me. Oh. Okay, I probably don't need to take off all that tape right there. I got this machine because I was using a Singer heavy duty, what is it, 44 heavy duty 4452, and as a lot of you know, I make masks, but I'm starting to also make bags too. Now I don't make what is that? I don't make thin masks. My masks are several layers of thick, heavy fabric, and that heavy duty Singer heavy duty sewing machine just could not keep up, and I was just having such a hard time getting my orders completed because I was having so much trouble with that machine. So I just decided I had enough and I needed a new machine, and I asked for suggestions and a couple of my sewing groups and embroidery groups that Juki kept coming up. And some other people suggested, other people in the group suggested that I get the industrial one, like the 8700 that comes with the whole table and the motor. But really, I don't have a lot of room for that. So this one, the TL2000, was, I guess, a sort of a compromise, I guess I would say, really due to space. So what is this? I think this is the little, well, I guess I'll figure it out once I take everything out. I don't know if that's a little knee thing to use your knee for. This machine, it's a lot different than any machine that I've used, I think. I need to hope I'll snag my, well, maybe I shouldn't do that just yet. Here's a foot pedal. I don't know what a foot pedal looks like. I'm assuming this is the table. Oh, some people suggested the Juki 8700. I saw that. That looks like it has like such a following. But again, it had the table with it. There was another one that was more expensive than that one, and I forgot what the model is. But you know, I'm hoping that this will do the job for now. I've never owned a Juki before, so we're gonna see what all the hype is about. I'm a little disappointed because this heavy duty Singer had a lot of good reviews, and I know in Angela's group a lot of members have it too. So I hope that this is not the same situation. Yeah, this is the table, the extension table, which is great. Nice little measurement system here in centimeters and inches. So yeah, for the metric system there on the sewing machine. Let me put this over here. Or no, let me leave it right here. This, I bought this machine on Amazon, and it came out to, I think, like $756-ish. I'm not sure. I don't know why I keep doing that, but $756 and some change, I think. Okay, oh, okay, so I guess there goes the walking foot right there, which is great. Something that is recommended for the type of materials that I'm using. If I'm going to be doing handbags and my thick masks. Oh, sewing machine. What kind? Okay, so some little tools, some bobbins that come with it. A little, yeah, it's just some little tools and bobbins and things that you need on your machine. Or machine. Oil. Oh yeah, this is one of those machines that you do. I've never had a sewing machine that you need to like oil. Did some spill out? Let me check. It should have a, oh no, it has a little safety cap right there. So, let me grab on the side. Is this the cover? I'm assuming this is the cover for the sewing machine. This will be my, I guess, my heavy duty machine, and I also have a Brother SE600. That's the machine that I started embroidering on back in June. Did not expect any of this to happen, but it did, and I'm glad it actually happened. Yeah, this is a cover for the machine. Might have to, let's see what is in here. I think I need a step stool. I'm 5'1.5", so it's challenging. Oh, there's a wire. Need some coaxing out. There she is. The other sewing machine I have, I use that. I love that machine as a, I think it's a good, it's only a 4x4 space embroidery machine. I don't use it for embroidery anymore. Not that I can't, but I just have Nana, my Nana over here in the corner. You can't see her, but she's my Melco 16 needle industrial embroidery machine, so I have her. So I don't use my Brother SE600 anymore for embroidery, but I use her to sew all the time. I use her to sew like my liner fabrics that I use on gaiters and stuff like that, or for clothing. She's an excellent sewing machine. Okay, so here we go. Bunch of sliding around. I'm so excited. Oh, she's beautiful. Already has a wire throat right here, so there's more room here, which I love. This is actually, I guess, a quilting machine. What it's intended for is quilting. It's a straight stitch. There's no decorative stitches or anything like that. The only thing you do with this is you can only select how long, short or long, you can have your stitches, and that's it with this machine. She's heavy. She's heavy. Wow. Okay. So I think I want to name this one. I have my Nana. She's named after my grandma, for those who don't know. My grandma She was a little hustler. She did embroidery, she did sewing, she was a carpenter, and it's kind of interesting because I do all those things as well. So that's why she's Nana. I think this one I'm going to name Artemisia, after my great-grand-aunt, my great-grandmother's sister, who is actually a founder of St. Philip's College in San Antonio, Texas. And St. Philip's College started off as a sewing school. So I think it would only be appropriate to name it after her, Artemisia. She was also a civil rights activist. She's an amazing woman. So, I mean, if anybody interested in looking up the history of my great-grand-aunt, I'll post a link so you can actually get a little more info on her. But yeah, this is going to be Artemisia. All right, I guess that's it. For those of y'all that wanted to see, I guess, unboxing or see my new machine, there she is. And thank you for watching.